Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day and bringing you another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one out of Japan from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount if you want to get one of their subscription boxes. This is my Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Shio kombu kelp thing. Their regular Shio variety, I freaking can't get enough of that. In fact, if you didn't know, where's my... Oh, it's over here. Oh. Let me reiterate. This one is like all sea vegetable. Here's our noodle block. Here's our solid ingredient, which I should be able to navigate opening a dry sachet like this without having any problems, and booyah. And then we have a powder sachet which will go in the end and get a stir, and this one goes for a whopping 3 minutes. All right. Go. Yeah, so what's on the agenda for today? We keep sending a lot of bombs and junk over to the Ukraine and basically fighting a proxy war with Russia, which I think is kind of like, I mean, Ukraine got the crummy end of the stick, but it's just like, we keep sending more over there, and I don't know, it just seems like it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, when's it going to stop? I think, unfortunately, there's not much we'll do everything but put our toes in the water over there, and it's like, we don't want to get into a conflict with Russia, but I'm sorry. We are in a conflict with Russia. If we're supplying their enemy, what are they going to see that as? Like a friendly gesture? So, I don't know. I think we did that back in the day, too. Didn't we do that in Afghanistan? Or did we fought in Afghanistan? I'm not talking like recently. I'm talking like in the early 80s. I think we supplied them. We like to give out Halloween trick-or-treat bags full of missiles and bombs and weaponry and stuff. I don't know, they don't do that in Star Trek so much. Starfleet refuses to do that. It's like, this is an internal conflict. You guys, on your 2 planets, you do that. But, I don't know. It's the 21st century. We can't just kind of coexist peacefully. I guess not. We should. Did I sit that for 8 minutes? No. So yeah, it's Friday. It looks gloomy outside. Tomorrow is Community Day for both Pokemon Go and Pikmin Bloom. Do you care? I'm sure you don't. But they're fun. I like playing Pokemon on Community Day. Maybe I'll catch something cool. And I know, super nerding out time. And luckily there's only like 30 seconds left until the timer goes off, so you don't have to endure much of it. But I play this game called Pikmin Bloom, where you run around and these little Pikmin guys, and it's based mainly on walking. So if you get like a bunch of steps and you turn on this one thing that makes it so you plant flowers and you do all these expeditions and junk, you'll end up leveling up. So that's a thing that I do. What I like about that one is when you go out walking, the game doesn't require all your time, unlike Pokemon, where it's like, it's based around walking and moving around. However, for you to play it, you gotta stop, because you gotta like navigate all this stuff. There's all these different things to do. So, And for me, it's hard, even though this new phone I've got a really bright screen, which was like a definite selling point for me. It's like if it's a nice day, I'm outside, it's kind of hard to see the screen for me. All right, so here we go. We've got a kelp and kombu heavy Sapporo Ichiban cup bowl. They call these bowls cups over there, like big cups. I don't know why. Hi. Go play. Very salty. Mimi.
Papa, Mimi's messing up with my tablet.
Well, she ought not do that. Mimi, you be nice to Miles, okay? Okay, it's Fun Friday, not Torture Your Brother Friday. So let's all be nice. Hey. Oh, okay. Let's not supply ammo to the other country of children. Leave her socks alone. Oh man, I thought I could get 2 episodes in before the craziness began. You don't need the remote. No, you gotta watch the cartoons. That's my torture for you in the morning. I make them watch Bugs Bunny and Donald Duck, or Donald Duck. Bugs Bunny and Elmer Fudd and all that stuff. Now you guys messed it all up. Great. Alexa, tune to me TV on Fire TV. Well, there you go. If you've got that set up, then sorry. But we've got some shrimp and a slice of Naruto Maki. So do I like this one? Yeah, it's not bad. It's definitely a Shio. It's not too much. This one actually, I'm surprised how much I actually like this. Did you guys break the TV? No. Well, I'm proud to hear that. Here's some spring onion. More spring onion. What happened to the TV? I like listening to the dealy deal. Oh well. Bunch of seeds. And the guinea pigs are very irritable this morning. And a little bit of... I think I'm almost out of this. There you go. And this sucker is kaput. So that's 2 out of 3. Very good. Very good.
Wow.
There you go. Do that to it, Rotato. There we go. Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one we got is another one from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Uh-oh. I already took my pill. I already got it. All is well. Universe is okay. This one's, yeah, it's out of one of those subscription boxes. This is Nissan VFO. Victory Flying Object. It's got a sumo on it. So
that is going to be a yakisoba for tomorrow. So, see you then. Bye.